Okay, and we're going to look at pan and crop. And pan and crop is in your layer here. It's right there. Event, pan, and crop. I'm going to kind of show you what that can do. I'm going to throw another, I don't know, picture or whatever. Um, let's see here. All right, press pan and crop, and this window will come up. Now let me resize this for a moment. Resize this, and we'll scroll. I'm using my wheel, my middle wheel scroll, so you can kind of see what's going on. And now, I'm gonna right click one of these boxes here and restore, so it goes back to normal. Um, you see here the position. You click there, you drag the mouse. Let me scroll this down so you can see the timeline here and here matched together. And you can see right here, if I hold and oh, there it is. Hold and click. Taking too long here. That it moves right there in the timeline too. So that's when I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna resize this down. I'm gonna make it bigger here. Resize it right there. And then you see in your timeline, see it went straight to it. Boom. Now, go back to pan and crop. Scroll back so I can see it. I'll move this farther in the timeline. And let's see here. And now, right there, at that moment right there, I want it to go back to its position. So I'll right click and restore. And so it's going to go boom to the end and then go right back. See how it goes? Now, that is pan and crop. Now, just like that, you could probably do like, if you wanted to, you could start this right. Let's see. We'll open it. It'd be awesome if you want to if you want to start right there, and then within 1 second, it comes right there, and then at 2 seconds, it goes right there, and then at 3 seconds, it goes right there, and then at 4 seconds, it goes right there. So it's kind of like you see it coming in and out. It's like this. Now, let's say you want to come in, you want to stop, and then you wanted to turn and then go out. Same thing. Let's go to that field right there. Let's go ahead and let's see. Let's right click, hold, and then right. How does that look? Goes in, then holds, and then it's gone. So let's see how that looks. I'll press my space bar. Boom, holds, then it's gone. Now I'm gonna click back over there. I'm gonna bring this in just a little bit closer to that. See what happens here. Hold, then it's gone. And I say, well, let's see what else I can do. And what if I was get right here, right, right here, it's going to do a full spin. Let's see what it does here. Now let's see what it does here. It goes, it should turn. Oh, it did. Hang on. It probably turned too fast. Anyway, that's kind of what we do pan and crop. You can, let me show you just one more time here. Let's say we're going to do this one right here. Let's see what it gives you. It goes in and out like that. And let's say you want, once it's done in, once it's gone in, then out. Let's say we want it just to move here and there. In a certain time frame, you can see it up in here. We want it to go up. We want it to go up to the top left. And then after a few seconds, we want to go to the top right. And then after a few seconds, we want it to go down here. I mean, you can do animated GIFs. You can do all kinds of things. So basically, you move to the timeline you want, and then you move the actual event that you want to move. So we will turn this, and then we'll turn this again. Come on, circle. Okay, and then right here, we're going to restore. Now, let's see what it looks like. In, out, left, right, boom, all the way around, all the way back, boom, center. That's pan and crop. Man, you can do all kinds of different things with pan and crop. Let's say you want to do pan and crop with text. So let's say you got this text. Okay, let's say, for instance, upstream. And so in upstream, you got this text. And you can do the same thing. Um, you can actually, when you do this fade, you can actually go to a transition and watch that it also does transitions with see how that works. So you can kind of add animation to your fonts, but anyway, we're not going to do that right now. And of course, you can change the opacity back and forth as well. Um, let's go to pan and crop. Well, first of all, in it, I didn't want to teach you text, but I guess I will. But let's just do pan and crop real quick with this deal. Again, you can change the size. Let me scroll, make it even smaller. You can't hardly see it. Let's say we want to move it from here in 1 second. We want to move it down to here, okay? And then from there we want to move it up from here. We'll move it over here, and then by the time we get to here, it's going to be completely restored to say it to a big size. So let's see what it looks like. Doom, 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 doom. Bam. Done. There's pan crop. And keyframe. That's what keyframe is. These are, right here, keyframes. Okay? These are keyframes. So let's ask if you want to create a keyframe, delete a keyframe, go to next keyframe, and just work within your keyframes, within your timeline that matches this right here. You can see kind of where, just move around with it, see how it goes. Alright, that's your pan and crop. Oh, thank you.